Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted something very bespoke on here. So how the system works, obviously when they lock it, they leave the vehicle, okay? Just let's lock it. When we come back to the vehicle, if someone grabs this key or copies this key from outside and unlocks it, we've done something very different. So we're going to jump in the vehicle, okay? We're going to do an attempted start. Okay, if you watch carefully, we're going to do attempted start. The vehicle won't start. And then if you listen carefully, within about 10 seconds, first of all, it will give you a confirmation to say it needs the code. So listen carefully. There you go. And then it will go mad. Okay, so now it's going to go mad if you don't put the code in. So listen, there you go. So ignition on, insert the code. System disarms and we're able to start it. There you go, really simple and really straightforward to use. So as I said, as soon as you lock the vehicle, as soon as I leave it and lock it, I'm just going to do it from the inside. So I'm going to lock it. I go to unlock it, open the door. If I turn the ignition on and try and start it, it just won't start. So the standard procedure is ignition on, insert your code, disarm the system and start the vehicle. There you go, we've disarmed it, now we start it. Okay, really simple and straightforward. So what happened here is obviously this had another kind of immobiliser. They spent time, they attacked it, they found it, they bypassed it and they went with the vehicle, and luckily we fit a tracker on it, got it back. Okay, so it's really simple and straightforward to use. As I said, we're just trying to change it a little bit. So I'll show you again. Lock it, leave the vehicle, come back, unlock it, unlock it. I try and start it, vehicle won't start. Now if you watch carefully, it's going to count down, it's going to give us 3 bursts to tell us it needs the code. There you go, but we put the code in, we've disarmed it and we're started, okay? Otherwise you saw what happened, the horn would just go mad and obviously they'd run away from the vehicle. What we're going to do now, we're going to put it in valley mode and give it back to the workshop. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, 089060478, 089060478. Thank you for watching, bye bye.